Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to 31 Days of Yoga. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Wendy, so pleased to have you here today. If you are into health, fitness, and yoga related videos, then consider subscribing to my channel. And then while you're at it, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which will be every single day through the month of January. Today, I have for you a strength-based practice. We're going to be getting into the legs. So we'll be doing a few fun variations here that get nice and deep into all angles of the legs. It'll be short, sweet, quick. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. You don't need any props. Really, you don't even need a mat. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to stand. Let's take our feet out a little bit wider than hips distance. Allow the toes to point out, heels in. And we're just going to start with a really basic malasana squat. So if you'd like to challenge yourself, you could try to keep your hands up. Otherwise, hands through heart center. We're just going to come down and up. Nice and simple. Down and up. Down and up for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stay lifted. From here, we're just going to come up onto our tiptoes, lower down. Tiptoes, lower down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. From here, we're going to walk our feet even a little bit further out. From here, we're going to come into, I would say, a fun movement. We're going to mirror each other. So this is going to be my right leg. This is going to be my left leg, okay? And that'll just make it a little bit easier. We're going to start here with a squat. Go ahead, lift up the right leg, back to squat, right leg steps in. Come back, squat, lift up left leg, squat, and then left leg steps in. Squat, right leg lifts, squat, right leg in. Squat, left leg lifts, squat, left leg in. Squat, right leg lifts, squat, right leg in. Squat, left leg lifts, squat, left leg in. 2 more. Squat, right leg lifts, squat, right leg in. Squat, left leg lifts. Squat, left leg in. Squat, right leg lifts. Squat, right leg in. Squat, left leg lifts. Squat, left leg in. Come back down. Squat, little pulses. Try to keep moving your knees out, peeling towards the pinky side edge of the feet. Go for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten it out. Hips, a little bit of movement. Good. Let's go ahead, turn around on the mat. If we're on it, we're going to come down into a lunge. Right leg forward, left leg back. I'll give you a few different options here. Option 1 is to keep your hands down on the ground. Option 2, hands on the knee. Option 3, hands overhead. Here's what we're doing. We're going to lift the back knee, lower it down. Lift, lower, lift, lower. After 3, maybe we can come up, lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, lower. Last 3, maybe we can bring the hand overhead, lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, and lower. Lower the hands down. Switch it out. Left leg forward, right leg back. Let's go ahead, start the same way. So we can do all of them lifted, doesn't really matter, but it's nice to have this progression. So we'll go ahead, the back knee, lift, lower, just hover it. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Come up onto the front thigh. Lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, and lower. Reach the hands overhead. Lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, and lower. Good job. Step it back. All right, super short, super sweet. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some value out of this. Let me know in the comments down below. I will see you again tomorrow. Namaste.